Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with the St. Patrick's Day collab hosted by Sabrina and the Mismatch Crafter. There are a few other ladies and gentlemen that also is doing this collab. I will have their channels linked in the description box below, so go over and check out what they created. Now, the object of this collab was you had to alter a canvas, and it had to be, of course, St. Patrick's Day related. So here is mine. So I decided to paint the canvas brown, chocolate brown, and then I did a black hat. I traced out a hat, and then the hat's the background's black, and then I did the little circles, and they are, I think, 3 different greens I got going, and then I outlined it with some white. Got some same colors up here. I have the sequins here, and here is here, and I was like, something needs like a belt buckle or something. I couldn't find what I was looking for because I do have a belt buckle and I still haven't found it, or a buckle. I thought it would look cool in center. But then I came across this stone, which is a flippy flop, matter of fact, that Diamond was getting rid of, and I kept it. And I put that in the center. And then you can see the different colors and the little circles. And then I made a cluster here of St. Patrick's ribbon and some gold. And then I had this little puffy clover, and then I had this was a pin. I took the pin back off and I put that, and that's just in a corner of the hat. And that is my altered canvas. Chocolate brown, black, greens, whites, I think it turned out cute. I'm gonna go hang it on my wall now because I've been sitting here wanting to do the video. So that is my altered canvas. So, everybody, please go check out the rest of the people that are also doing this collab as well. Like I said, they will be in the description box below. And happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. And Sabrina, happy birthday, because on St. Patrick's Day will be Sabrina's birthday as well. Thanks for hosting. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.